Today we have in our studios Ashok ji, who is the director of Bhagmati, a recent Telugu film which crossed 100 crore business, and he has had many successful films under his collar. Now he is going to direct Komagatamaru.
Exactly.
Tell us how did this idea, you wrote it, right?
Yeah.
How did this idea come to you that it will be a good film?
Actually, when we are as early discussion had with Mohammed ji, it's an idea of the person who can एक माफ़ी मांगने के लिए बहुत ताकत चाहिए सर,
बहुत
बहुत ताकत चाहिए, and that too a president of a country is asking for a excuses. That's it's a part of his I mean his attitude, or what you would say, it's their commitment, or you can say that it's a very humble thing what they did for a country. It's not they are mentioning about the a particular part of excuses. It's not only for a man or 360 persons, 67 persons are not like that. It's 100% for an Indian country. That means माफ़ी मांगने के लिए उतना बड़ा गलत किया उन्होंने, ऐसा सोच के मैंने I came in a reverse way. Why they are asking excuses for this? Even I was not there, you were not there. 1914 is a pre-independent movement which was done by our हमारा Indians जो वहाँ गया और माफ़ी refuse करके बाहर आया. What are the conditions why they were rejected those people? अरे अभी सभी हाथ दे रहा है, आ जाए भाई साहब हमारा साथ है. And what are the conditions why they left us, why they they refused us is main मेरे को एक doubt आया, why, what happened. Then I studied entire thing, and आपको जो मिल रहा है विकीपीडिया में इससे ज़्यादा है, और एक कंटेंट भी है इसमें. Everybody is thinking they refused us and they are the villains for us. हम लोग इधर से भाग के गया. That means who are the बड़ा विलन कौन है इसमें?
नहीं, विलन तो नहीं है, लेकिन ये भी याद रखिए कि कनाडा वाज आल्सो अ ब्रिटिश कॉलोनी.
No, by that time they are independent.
No, they were independent, but even still they are Commonwealth country.
Yep.
And the Queen of England goes there.
Okay.
It's not like India.
लेकिन
what
by
happened?
that time they are in, it's a country is a
no,
1914 they are
that's what I'm
independent
saying.
country.
No, they were not. They were not like America. America, fought the British
Okay.
and threw them out.
Okay.
Canada shook hands with the British and accepted
That we are
that
under
we
the
are part of. So the Queen every year goes there.
Mhm.
She is still Queen of. In an informal way,
Okay.
she is the Queen in Canada.
Queen of Canada.
Yes.
But I mean when the
So
first
that's
incident,
why they couldn't say no, yes.
by the time already 2,500 members are there from India.
Right.
They are taking shelter at Canada, and even I can't say that it's a shelter, but already they were working there and they have all the facilities, and even Gurudwar and everything was there already for the 2,500 members at the Canada country. But somehow they have a policy, they prepared a policy that they want to build a policy. थोड़े दिन के लिए हम रुकेंगे, because the employment was there is a self respect in that idea. They want to do some kind of a favor for their country because of their they have the rights to do the good for their citizens. So इसमें गलत क्या है? हम लोग गया उधर, चांस नहीं है, आप बाहर जाइए बोल के बोला. लेकिन इसमें एक ह्यूमैनिटी है. मीन हमने कहा, मीन वी कांट डिसाइड आवर बर्थ, और किसको पैदा होने का वो डिसीजन भी हमारा हाथ में नहीं है. भगवान ने एक ही चांस दिया हमको, किसके सामने फ्रेंडशिप कर सकता हूँ, दैट डिसीजन बिलोंग्स टू अस. एंड हमने फ्रेंडशिप मांगा है कनाडा से, लेकिन वो लोग मना किया, सारी भाई मेरे पास जगह नहीं है. So there is I mean vice versa, both the sides are have the difficulties.
Right.
So मैंने ऐसा सोचा है, why don't we think it as a positive movement to get a independent day for our own country. So it is a movement for us, sense of the people who are working there in Canada, maybe some kind of conditions they may reject us, but definitely if they उन्होंने आज़ादी दिया तो 376 मेंबर्स को दे सकता है, लेकिन उन जो किया उससे आज़ादी मिला पूरा हिंदुस्तान को. That's what I thought, and I kept it on paper, and it came very well, and that I want to portray it on the big screen, and I want to explain. आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना अभी अभी भी मेरे को पता चल रहा है, it was influenced by British, so it should be a good thought
They
if
were
we
chamchas of the British.
yeah, even
Even in 1940.
1940.
Even today,
Okay.
they are. Americans are not.
Yeah, but Americans are in the
Because they fought.
they have the
with
fought,
them.
but
Canada didn't fight
supported.
with them.
They supported.
They said,
Okay.
okay,
Slaves.
agreement. Okay, Queen can come. We will be part of.
That's what.
Commonwealth.
So many
Yeah,
so many things we have to explain to the next generation.
Right.
That there is a need of.
So when does it go on the floor?
Exactly. When mostly it's going to be July, end of July. We are planning everything on to be set.
So your locations will be in
I-
India.
yeah, actually the movement was started from Hong Kong to Canada, sir, and Canada से वापस आया कलकत्ता. So there is a movement from, actually it was started at India only, but उन्होंने मना किया शिप देने के लिए, इंडियंस को शिप देने के लिए मना किया क्योंकि ये लोग भाग के जा रहा है बोल के. Then they shifted the idea to Hong Kong, because in Hong Kong there are two colonies for people, like British colony and China colony. So they have a chance to move from there over. That's why they started the story at Hong Kong. Even Gurdeep Singh was started his journey from Hong Kong to उन्होंने बहुत बढ़िया प्लान किया to save the people. It's almost like a Schindler from the German thing. So we have shoot at Hong Kong से Shanghai से Mozo to Yokohama, and then went to Canada, and in the बीच में और एक थोड़ा सा और एक ट्विस्ट है, वहाँ से कलकत्ता.
तो वो ऐसा शिप मिल जाएगा आपको पुराना?
या 100% लेना पड़ता है, और मैंने विल गो फॉर CG आल्सो, टाइटैनिक जैसा बनाना पड़ता है सर, श्योर श्योर. एंड
तो क्या बजट क्या होगा इस फिल्म का?
अभी तक बजट का बातें चल रहा है, एंड हाउ द बिग गन्स विल बी देयर ऑन द शिप इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. वो पोर्ट्रेट करने के लिए, वो इमोशंस लाने के लिए, ये तो नॉर्मल थिंग नहीं है, ऐसा जर्नी किया बाहर आ गया वापस, ऐसा नहीं है. एवरी ट्विस्ट हैज़ टेकन बाय द कोमागाटू इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर एवरी इंडियन. टू पोर्ट्रेट दैट काइंड ऑफ इमोशंस डेफिनेटली वी नीड द बिग गन्स ऑन द शिप. सो मैंने अभी फिरंगी को लगा रहा हूँ कहाँ से लाके, एंड the budget is there. Yes, exactly. We need a big budget for the film.
तो जब शिप आया इंडिया तो वो जो गोला बारूद मारा तो शिप डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया?
No. Ship was there, but they destroyed the people, but not the ship.
So tell me about Bhagmati. What was the story about?
Bhagmati is a mind game, sir. Bhagmati was a mind game. A IAS officer who traveled in a difficult ways, who faced the difficult era, and how he changed her life. तो रिवेंज लेने के लिए कैसा उन्होंने माइंडसेट पे कैसा गेम खेला है, एक बहुत बढ़िया पर्वत से मारने के लिए, पर्वत को मारने के लिए कैसा उसका जर्नी को फिक्स किया है, इज़ द बागमती.
और उससे पहले कैसी फिल्में आपकी पहले सक्सेसफुल?
मैं इससे पहले मैं पिल्ला ज़मींदार नाम से एक फ़िल्म किया. इट्स अबाउट लाइफ चेंजिंग फिल्म है. लाइफ में कैसा चेंजेस आना पड़ता है. हर एक लड़का, पहला जो बाप है तो पैसा वाला बाप है तो कैसा बिहेव करता है, उस एटीट्यूड से लाइफ को कैसा सीखता है, इज़ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द पिल्ला ज़मींदार. एंड वन मोर फिल्म सुकुमारुडी इज नथिंग बट हाउ द guys are running away from the India, and how they are connected with the mobile phones instead of Mata Pita se nahi, and how they have to come back and they have to attach with the people, with not with the electrical goods or something like this. It's about Sukumarudu. And one more film I did, Flash News, is it's about the electronic media, what are the plus points and minus points of the media. And one more is Chitranga, this like with Anjali. It's about a little like a transgender reincarnation film है, transgender.
तो आपके फिल्म बनाने का कीड़ा कब पैदा हुआ आपने?
Sir, basically I'm a classical dancer from my childhood. I learned 12 varieties of Indian classical dances from the age of 5, and I acted in 15 to 20 films in Telugu
Telugu.
as a child artist, first of all. And after my education graduation, I went to film industry as a choreographer, and I did nearly 300 songs for South Indian choreographers, and I turned as a choreographer. And after that, I went to London to learn salsa and rumba. By the time I studied the direction course and screenplay from the Manchester University, and I came back and I turned as director, and I did, in the meanwhile I did some documentaries also as a director, and even for all the countries. There एक कीड़ा नहीं है, I mean
ये कीड़ा तो उस वक्त था ना बचपन में.
नहीं सर, आई थिंक मोस्टली बिकॉज ऑफ माई पेरेंट्स आई वॉज जो सीखा है वो दिखाने के लिए मैं, आई मीन द इंटरेस्ट विच वॉज हैपन ऑन स्टेज, नो अपलॉस बोलता है ना, जो अपलॉस मैंने सुना है मेरी छोटी उम्र में आई थिंक इट लीड्स टू दिस प्लेस.
ट्रेनिंग तो मैनचेस्टर में आया ना, कीड़ा तो तब लगा जब बच्चों की तरह रोल किया.
That's also an accident, sir. Actually, while I'm doing on the stage, एक स्टेज शो करने का वक्त एक बहुत बढ़िया डायरेक्टर है, उन्होंने देख के मेरे को, I want this guy as a child artist in particularly. It was made on particularly for the kids. I mean children film. It's a children film. वो टाइम पे वो तो बहुत बढ़िया revolutionary film है. My first film is a 100 days film in South India called Rapid Powerlu. I mean next generation. Then I slowly traveled with the people. I mean, somehow I'm getting the calls from Chennai. वो टाइम पे चेन्नई पे है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. I used to go and I watch the films and lighting को देख के ये कैसा होता है, ये कैसा बन रहा है, and what is the technique behind. मैंने ये साइड से नहीं, बहुत अच्छा नहीं देखा, क्योंकि मेरे को दिखने का टाइम मिला है कैमरा का पीछे कौन कौन है. So like that way, I'm little bit interested about the technical side. After my studies, I went as a choreographer because it's a nice place where I learned so many kind of dances, and I can perform and I can prove my talent. I can show my talent to the people. That's why I selected the choreography line.
So this Kamagata Maru will be your first non-Telugu film.
Yeah, yes sir, exactly.
But maybe you want to dub it?
No, no, not dubbing. Actually, I did the films, another 2 films for Tamil and Malayalam also. The last film, Bhagmati, was a 3 languages film. One is Telugu and Tamil and Malayalam. I used to talk all the South Indian languages very fluently, and I can write and read. Maybe what you are saying is correct, and I'm coming for Bollywood with the Kamagata
This will be
Maru.
your- So this movie will be in English
Hindi and English, sir.
Mixed.
Hindi and English.
and Punjabi.
Yeah, Punjabi is because the basic language is from Punjab. Actually, it's a privilege to every Indian to show what the commitment they did for 6 months bina pani khana se. I mean what the journey they did. No, I want to show, and I want to salute all the heroes who are there on the Komagata Maru, and it's definitely एक lifetime में एक आदमी को मिलने का एक चांस है that my India is great and my Indians what they did. अभी आज मैं फिल्म बना के ऐसा लग्जरी एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ ना, because of the pains and sorrows, the difficulties what they faced by the people who are there on the ship, or somebody else who worked for the independence, who fought for the independence. So I want to do it.
So any big Bollywood names connected with the film? Yeah.
अभी तो नहीं बोलता हूँ, लेकिन 100% बिग गन्स होता है बॉलीवुड से और टॉलीवुड से भी, साउथ से भी और नॉर्थ से भी, दोनों मिलजुल के होता है. एंड इवन वी आर डूइंग द ऑडिशंस फॉर द कैनेडियन आर्टिस्ट एंड सम काइंड ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश से, और थोड़ा सा आर्टिस्ट होता है हांगकांग से, जो पीपल हमको चाइनीज़ लोग ने कुछ शिप पे पूरा ड्राइविंग सब कुछ किया, चाइना लोग, तो वहाँ से भी अच्छा आर्टिस्ट लेना है. एंड आई एम इन्वॉल्विंग सम इरानियन गाइज फॉर द, एक्चुअली इसमें 22 मेंबर्स मुस्लिम्स एंड 12 मेंबर्स हिंदूज, एंड रिमाइनिंग बाकी जो है वो 6. सो I need to collect those guys from particularly I want to show the 1914 kind of body language and get-ups and everything. So much of homework we have to do.
A lot of research.
Lot of research already did, and we want to portray particularly how the person will be suitable for the particular character and those things. And I'm doing the homework for that. mostly that's why it will take some time, like 4 months or 3 months, 3.5 months for the proper casting.
Anything I didn't ask you want to?
आप जो सेवा कर रहा है विद दिस एंड जो लोग हैं वहाँ बाहर, हम लोग, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है, इट्स 100% ट्रिब्यूट टू द पीपल हु आर वर्किंग इंडिया का नाम बढ़ाने के लिए। जो NRS है वहाँ पे वो लोग हमको, हमारे लिए जो नाम ला रहा है, और मेयर बन के कोई देश का प्रेसिडेंट, मीन अच्छी जगह पे बैठ के, अरे यार हम भी है आपके लिए। मीन ऐसा ही हुआ ये कोमागाटा मारू के लिए भी 1914 में। जो लोग हैं कनाडा में, उन्होंने इतना बड़ा लड़ाई किया इन लोगों को बाहर लाने के लिए, या इन लोगों को एक आज़ादी लाने के लिए। नाउ वी आर इंडिपेंडेंट, बट डेफिनेटली आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दोज पीपल हु आर वर्किंग फॉर अस। हमारा, आई मीन what you can say,
They are the real
they are the
ambassador.
represents, yeah, they are the represents of the proudness of India. हमको आज़ादी मिला है, हमको इतना पढ़ाई मिला है, and we got the knowledge and we can show to the world that we can do magics and miracles at the outside of India. So उन लोगों को आप जो सेवा कर रहे हैं ना, I mean, hats off to you also, sir.
All the best, sir. All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you
for
very
your
much.
film.
Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you for
Thank you.